YE68PXG. That's not a good thing to be doing, overtaking at such speed. And there is a difference legally. Like on a bicycle, you're allowed to pass there. So to referring back to the previous motorcyclist, as a cyclist you're allowed to overtake on zigzags, but as a motorcyclist you're not. It's motor vehicle overtakes that are illegal. So that's a double click for both the motorcyclist and the... Thank you, sir, thank you. He approves.